5 things that happen when you sneeze. 1. Your body expels irritants. Sneezing is your body's way of clearing out irritants from your nose. Dust, pollen, smoke, or even a strong scent can trigger a sneeze, helping to keep your nasal passages clean. 2. Your heart rate momentarily drops. Contrary to popular belief, your heart doesn't stop when you sneeze. However, the pressure changes in your chest can momentarily slow down your heart rate. 3. Air rushes out at high speed. A sneeze can propel air out of your nose and mouth at speeds of up to 100 mph. This powerful burst helps expel the irritants effectively. 4. Your eyes automatically close. It's nearly impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. This is a reflex to protect your eyes from particles and bacteria that are expelled during a sneeze. 5. Multiple muscles are involved. Sneezing is a coordinated effort involving your chest, diaphragm, throat, and facial muscles. Even your abdominal muscles contract to generate the force needed for a powerful sneeze. Sneezing is a fascinating bodily function that not only clears out irritants, but also involves multiple systems working together in perfect harmony. Next time you sneeze, remember, there's a lot more going on than meets the eye.